How to add money to your Venmo account. Hey everybody, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to guide you through the steps on how you can add money to your Venmo account. So make sure to watch the video till the very end. In order to basically add money to your Venmo account, open up the Venmo application and basically log into your account. Then tap the Me option from the bottom right of the Venmo app. On the next page, simply go to the Wallet tab as you would be able to find it. Then after that, you have to simply go to the Venmo Balance option and tap on Manage. Once you go to Venmo Balance and tap on Manage, you can see Add Money to your Venmo balance, right? So all you have to do is just select that, and once you've done that, enter the amount of money that you want to add, select your credit or debit card, and then you'll be able to add money to your Venmo account. This way you can add money to your Venmo account. Hope this video was very helpful. If you have got any more questions, then feel free to also leave them down below. Thank you for watching till the very end of this tutorial, and see you soon in the next video.